Hey, welcome back. If you have been studying hard and not getting the results that you desire, this video will help you. It will show you another secret habit of successful students. If you want to move to the next level and have that breakthrough, stay tuned and learn from this video. Let's go on this journey together. I know you want to get better results and it's not easy at all. Studying is hard. That's why we need to really learn together and work together. And I honor your efforts, I honor your struggles because I used to fail. It took me a long time to just improve. So here I welcome you to study and shine. Before I get into the formula, I want to share with you a quick story, and I think you'll find it inspirational. The story is about Florence Chadwick, who attempted to swim across the Catalina Channel. Now, the Catalina Island is 21 miles off the coast of California in America. 21 miles is equal to 33.6 kilometers. That's a long distance. And in 1952, on Independence Day, 4th of July, Florence Chadwick was at the Catalina Island and she jumped into the water and she started this adventure. And after 15 hours later, unfortunately, she was deterred by heavy fog and fatigue. She couldn't see the land and she could not see anything and she was totally exhausted. So she asked to be taken out of the water. And when she finally recovered, she realized that she was only half a mile away from land. And at that moment, she vowed not to give up again. And she went back to vigorous training for 2 months. So this is important. She trained hard for 2 months and she went back again for this attempt. And that time she swam with faith and she kept the vision of the shoreline in her mind. And after she started her swimming adventure, same thing happened. Heavy fog set in, she could not see anything, but that time she learned a big lesson. She saw land in her mind. She kept going, she kept persisting, and she made it. In fact, she beat the men's record by 2 hours, so that was indeed remarkable. So what can we learn from this quick story? Number one, we must have faith. As Florence Chadwick did, she swam with faith. That means she believed that she could make it. And number two, vision. She kept the vision or the sight of land in mind. And number three, training. You've got to train hard yourself as well. So we work together so you can learn more techniques to improve, to get higher marks, to have less stress, to enjoy your learning journey as well. And now with these three elements, I call them the television of faith, TVF. Okay, so I hope you can remember these three elements. Let me share with you another goal-setting formula. It's called compass. Compass. It will guide you and help you go on the right direction, the right path. So let me decode this for you. Compass is an acronym. So the first C stands for clear. You must be clear on what you want. If you are not clear, there's no way you can get the results that you want. Number two, O. This is interesting because in most goal-setting formulas, you don't have this O, that means ownership. Your goals must be owned by you, not by your parents, not by your teachers, not by your friends. You've got to take ownership or control of your goals. M for measurable. You've got to be able to measure your goals or track the progress in meeting your goals. P for positive. Well, what's the point in having negative goals, right? I used to have two students who they were siblings and they were competing against each other. I think that's not a healthy or positive goal. When you set a goal, it should be enriching, it should be stimulating, it should be inspirational, it should motivate you. And the A for achievable. Is it achievable? If, for example, if a student failed in mathematics last semester and the student wanted to get an A in mathematics, well, it's not entirely impossible. However, you have many other subjects as well. Maybe passing mathematics is a more achievable goal at the moment. And now the last two letters, S for specific. Specific action steps that you need to take to move yourself toward your goals or the results. And the last letter, S, stands for sensible. Does it make sense at all? If you're pursuing a goal that doesn't make sense, it's really against your passion or your purpose. If it doesn't make sense, maybe that is not the right goal for you. So I hope this video serves you. Remember the really wonderful story of Florence Chadwick. Use the three elements: faith, vision, and training, and also the compass formula to move you in the right direction and the best to you. Thank you for watching.